Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are exploring VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any pivotal updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analyses for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 3rd of March, 2025, our system has categorized VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.28. Let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. The ETF experienced a loss of negative 1.21%. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.61% per day since it was identified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken the horizontal trend downward. Such breaks are often followed by swift and strong movements. Any correction down to the break line at approximately $534.25 is considered a second chance to exit before a further decline. However, it is important to note that false breaks may occur, and the price could potentially return to the horizontal trend. A break accompanied by increasing volume is regarded as more significant and reliable than one on low volume. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 0.107% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 0.81% and 6.37%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 21.20%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 21.20% to 29.58% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $642.96 and $687.43. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for VOO. The VOO ETF price experienced a decline of 1.21% on the last day, Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, falling from $537.01 to $530.50. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.28%, ranging from a low of $526.20 to a high of $538.19. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 5.65% during this period. Although volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, it coincided with falling prices, which could signal an early warning. This suggests that the risk may rise slightly over the next few days. In total, 10 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $5.2 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $453.93. Currently, the price stands 5.92%, or $33.40, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which remains the all-time high for the ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known by its ticker VOO, is currently trading at $546, close to its 52-week high of $563. This ETF offers investors exposure to the top U.S. companies and has shown impressive performance, generating 15% returns over the past year and more than 100% over the last 5 years. Its diversified portfolio includes major tech giants like Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, and Microsoft, which significantly contribute to its gains. However, recent market dynamics present challenges. Following a dip in the S&P 500, which is down over 6% from its all-time high, investors are facing renewed scrutiny regarding the sustainability of growth in the tech sector. Additionally, geopolitical factors, such as looming tariffs and inflationary pressures, contribute to market volatility, which could lead investors to prefer safer assets in the short term. In the long term, while VOO's low expense ratio of 0.03% and significant assets under management of nearly $498 billion make it an appealing option, its heavy reliance on the tech sector raises concerns. Should economic conditions lead to slower growth or increased inflation, VOO's performance may be adversely affected as investors shift towards fixed income assets, potentially dragging down its price. Overall, market sentiment will significantly influence VOO in the near term, and its long-term trajectory will largely depend on the resilience of the tech sector amidst evolving economic conditions. The following signals have been identified for VOO. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. If there are upward corrections, there may be some resistance at the levels of $542.02 and $551.46. A breakout above either of these thresholds would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 5.87%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, necessitating closer monitoring of the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the exchange-traded fund may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits controlled movements, and due to its strong liquidity, the risk associated with it is considered low. Over the past day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated by $11.99 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 2.28%. For the past week, the average daily volatility has been 2.19%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $535.20. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making an entry. For those who already own the ETF, this could serve as a significant point to consider for swing trading. There is a lack of substantial support from accumulated volume beneath this level, indicating that the ETF could experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you're an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. This exchange-traded fund has received a negative evaluation, and a stop loss has not been established. Is the VOO ETF a good investment? The VOO ETF shows several negative indicators and is currently in a declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Thus, we hold a negative outlook on this ETF. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of March, we expect the VOO ETF to open higher by $1.13, starting at $531.63. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.